Hello students, welcome to your social science class. Today we will begin with chapter 9 India, and today I will discuss part 1 of chapter 9 India. So first let me tell you what are the topics in this chapter. The first topic which we will discuss are location of India, second one is India's neighbors, and the third one is political divisions of India. Now students, in page number 79 you can see that there is a table given to you. Okay, this table is very important. Now see children, the chapter is divided into three main parts. First is the location of India, then we have India's neighbors, and then we have the political division. So India is divided into location of India. Located, where is India located? India is located in South Asia, 3214 km from north to south and 2933 km from east to west. The Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. Then we come to the India's neighbors. Who are the countries that are India's neighbors? So we have Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Now the political division. So India is divided into states. Each state has its own capitals and we have the union territories. Now children, you see the location of India. So beside location of India, you will also find a map. So location of India. India is located in the southern part of the continent of Asia. It is a vast country, means very big country, which stretches from 3214 kilometers from north to south and 2933 kilometers from east to west. The mighty Himalayas, means huge Himalayas, form a natural boundary in the north and separate the country from the rest of Asia. The southern part of India is surrounded by three water bodies: the Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. Now we will again discuss about the location of India. India is located in the southern part of the continent of Asia. India is located in South Asia. India stretches 3214 kilometers from north to south and 2933 kilometers from east to west. A natural boundary is formed by the mighty Himalayas in the north. It separates the country from rest of Asia. The southern part of India is surrounded by three water bodies: the Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. Now in this map you will see that the mighty Himalayas is separating India from other part of Asia. Then you can see in the west we have the Arabian Sea, in the east we have the Bay of Bengal, and in the south we have the Indian Ocean. So this is the physical location of India. Now your assignment for today will be fill in the blanks. 1. India is located in the dash part of the continent of Asia. Number 2. The mighty dash forms a natural boundary in the north. Number 3. India is surrounded by dash water bodies. Thank you students.